Welcome. Oh my goodness. We are going to have the most incredible time together during this quest.
The next 10 days are an opportunity for you to experience breakthrough. Every year is an opportunity for you to have a breakthrough. A year is a very important piece of time because it allows you to actually sink your teeth into something, commit to it, take action to it, and experience the inner and outer change that has to happen for a real level up. When I say breakthrough, I mean like doubling your success in whatever that looks like, right? It means you can have a complete change in your life. You can relocate wherever you live. You could double the size of your business. You could sell a business. You could buy a business. There's so much you can do in a year. What happens in a year when you discover the secrets of breakthroughs and you discover how you can then set your company and your life into having perpetual breakthroughs. That's really what this is about. How do you create a system in your own business, in your own life, where you're constantly having breakthroughs?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this, Coco, because not only are you going to be creating your breakthrough year, we're going to be doing it together with other people that are wanting to do it too. So you're not doing it alone. This is going to be a 10-day quest where we're guiding you through designing your breakthrough year based on Coco's brilliant formula that she's been able to help founders with all over the world, really help them get out of their head and make the most from their business and leverage them in the most powerful way.
Super fun. Oftentimes, companies, you could be a founder with all these big ideas and things get stuck, right? Growth can plateau, things don't move forward as quickly as you want. The actions don't all take place, whether from within yourself or your team. Your team isn't out there generating what you hope. Every moment you're on the edge of a breakthrough, but without the true clarity, focus, and alignment that is required, you're going to get lost in the shuffle. You're going to just get up every day and get back on the treadmill, and you're going to keep moving fast, but not necessarily producing new results.
Yeah, it's going to be so powerful. I was mentioning right before we hit record, the timing of this is perfect. I'm in the middle of launching a really big thing. And I think a lot of people don't realize when you're in the middle of either leveraging or even starting something new, how hard it can be and how it's so easy to kind of let go. Is this the right thing for me? Is this what I want to do? Do I really want to push forward through that? I feel like this 10-day quest is
Yeah.
really guiding that principle of being able to help power through each step so that you could really plan the year out in a really powerful way.
Yeah. And Stacey, the power that we have is our focus,
Mm.
right? Our focus, our attention, and our action. And most of the time, what happens is we get up in the morning, and if we're not clear and focused and don't know exactly what that high powered, high leverage action is, we will get drowned out in the day of distractions. We'll get stuck in our emails. We'll get drug into LinkedIn. And then there'll be another shiny object that says, oh, you need to go do this. So then suddenly you're writing an article or you're doing this. And all of those things are productive in some way, but they aren't necessarily the thing that's going to take you to the next level the most efficiently and productively. The thing about a business, it's much easier to run a company that has scale than it is to run a little company. I meet a lot of founders, especially women founders, who don't want to grow any further because the only model they know is the run harder, faster on that same treadmill. They think that if I'm going to grow my company, I have to run faster, to run twice as fast, 3 times as fast, 10 times as fast. And it's actually not that. It's actually you have to have a breakthrough. And you have a whole reorganization of how you do things, how you focus on things. It means you're going to redesign your treadmill so that you're not doing the same things you were doing yesterday, but producing very different outcomes.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. We're going to work you through this 10-day quest. It's not going to be a lot of time. It's going to be simple micro moments that you're going to be interacting with us in the group and sharing answers to really powerful questions that Coco is designed with helping you design your most powerful breakthrough based on what you're wanting in your business and in your life. We're using this framework where every day you're going to be responding in the group. It's an opportunity for us to get to know each other, for you to get to know yourself, for you to get to meet new people. And so the first step in this process is we're going to have you commit commit to being in this 10-day quest and designing your breakthrough year and sharing why. Why are you excited about having your breakthrough year? What do you think it's going to mean for you when you do that?
I love that. This is the first step of any breakthrough, making a decision, right? It's that decision. I want breakthrough. I'm willing to do a little bit every day in the service of breakthrough. And so this quest gives you that chance to step into the power of breakthrough.
So good. So we have you go ahead and commit in the group. Tell us who you are, why you're excited to have this breakthrough this year, and committing to this quest. Do the thing. Don't wait for opportunity. Create it. Design your breakthrough year.